Well, I went to Home Depot in Sandpoint, Idaho this morning and picked up this new 33-gallon, they call it a quiet air compressor. Well, yeah, it is fairly quiet. It's one of the oilless ones, so it doesn't have the oil-filled crankcase like in the more expensive ones. But being the Husky brand, it's supposed to last really good, and I've had terrible luck with compressors, so I'm hoping this is going to be a good one. And so I plugged it in, and I fired it up, just sat it outside on the deck here, just to make sure everything works. I checked for leaks and everything. There's no leaks. I'm going to be putting a different drain on the bottom that I can get at a valve easier to drain the tank. But it looks like a pretty decent compressor, and it does sound pretty good. I'm trying to focus in on here in the sun in places. Okay, and it says down here, what does it say down here? Oh, it says assembled in USA. Doesn't mean it's made in USA. And it's got a whole bunch of goodies on the side there, of course. And there it is. We will take a little trip around it here. So now I'm gonna have to move some stuff in my shop to get this in the corner where it's supposed to go. And I checked out, I wrote it down here, on the trial run when I plugged it in here just a few minutes ago. It took 9 minutes from the full to fill the tank from empty to 165 psi where it cut out. And then I put a hose on it, and it cuts out at 130 if I hold the air hose open. It cuts out at 130 and back up to 165 in 2 minutes, and that's with the output pressure set at 100 psi. So that seems pretty good. Oh yeah, you want to hear the sound of it. That's yeah, well, we'll just plug it in here, or put this, whoops, oh, I thought I had it plugged in. Just hold on. Okay, it didn't come on. I must have a bad connection. I'm gonna stop this video and see what's happening. Well, I'm back. I checked. Yeah, it was plugged in all right. It was me. Duh. I have to let some air blow off before it will start again by itself. So here I go. I'm going to blow some air off, and then you'll hear the sound of it when it starts. It blows for quite a long time with that 33-gallon tank. I'm kind of pleased with that part. Okay, there she goes. So I knew it would fire up pretty soon. So yeah, it's not too loud at all. I'm quite pleased with it. It's supposed to be 78 dB, and I think that one's pretty close to the belt-driven cast iron compressors. So I just hope that it keeps on working real good for me. Thanks for looking.